Hey guys, today I'm breaking down Calendly versus Acuity Scheduling, two of the most popular online booking tools. Let's start with Calendly. Calendly is known for its clean interface, easy setup, and automation. It's perfect if you're an individual, coach, or remote team just needing to manage appointments. You can set your availability, share a scheduling link, automatically send reminders and confirmations. Calendly also integrates smoothly with tools like Zoom, Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, and Zapier, making it a strong pick for simple workflows. Best for solo professionals and teams who want speed and simplicity. Now, onto Acuity Scheduling, which is powered by Squarespace. It offers deeper customization, especially if you run a service-based business like a salon, clinic, or coaching practice. You can create multiple appointment types, add custom firms, collect payments through Stripe, PayPal, or Square, offer packages, gift certificates, or subscriptions. Plus, it gives a branded email confirmations, intake forms, and detailed client records. Best for small businesses that need flexibility and more advanced features. If you want something simple, fast, and modern, go with Calendly. If you need more control, features, and client managing, Acuity is worth the learning curve. That's your 2025 showdown.